Hey guys, yesterday I showed you the most expensive condo that we have on the market here in the Romantic Zone. Today I want to show you the cheapest condo that we have on the market. It's listed at $275,000 US, comes in at a little over 1,000 square feet, and it's 2 bedrooms with 1 bathroom. Not only is this the cheapest unit that we have in the market, but it's also been on market for 155 days. So I guarantee that they are going to be willing to take less than even $275,000 that they're showing on the listing price right now. So if you want to come check out this listing, take a look with me right now. Now that you guys have taken a look, if you have any interest, you want to do an in-person showing, a virtual showing, give me a call, let me know. And if you like this video and you want to see more, click the subscribe button down below, click like, and in the description, you'll see all the ways that you can get in contact with me. My cell phone number is there, my email is there. If you use WhatsApp, that's a perfect way to contact me. I would love to help you guys find the PV house of your dreams, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Bye.